Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by connecting a reliable external drive and confirming it's formatted correctly. Time Machine prefers apps on modern Mac OS. Once connected, open System Settings and go straight to General, then Time Machine to choose your disk. You'll be prompted to convert or erase the drive if it's incompatible, except only if the drive has no needed files. Start the first backup now. This initial run copies everything, so expect it to take hours, depending on data size and drive speed. Once the first backup is underway, configure exclusions to save space. Click Options and uncheck folders like Downloads or VM images. Make sure automatic backups are enabled so incremental snapshots occur hourly. Monitor progress via the Time Machine menu or Finder's backup status. A spinning activity indicator means data is transferring. If using a network drive, make sure both Mac and NAS are on the same fast network, wired if possible. This minimizes errors and shortens the time for that bulk. After backups finish, verify integrity by restoring a small file to a different folder. You'll then know backups are usable. If Time Machine reports errors, run Disk Utility First Aid on the disk and check Smart Health. Reformat and retry if problems persist. Make sure snapshots are listed in Time Machine. If they aren't, turn backups off and on again to reset. Finally, keep a secondary offsite or cloud copy. This protects you against drive failure or theft and ensures recovery when it matters most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.